Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do a new Scratch project. The name of the Scratch project is Christmas Special Project. First let me rename the project so you can see. Yes, I have written the title, so first let me save it. Yes. Now let's see how is the project. First I will click, I have to do one thing, that go to sound and play yes. I was showing you that how is the song. It will run in the background, but first I am removing it so that whatever I speak is audible to you clearly. So let's click the play button. First let's start again. So we click the play button. You can see the background is moving and this is the play button. So basically this game is made to collect the gifts. We have this game is made for fun. In this game we have to collect the gifts, and you can see we are pressing the right arrow and the Santa is moving, and when we press the up arrow it goes up, and when we press the down arrow it goes down. So we will collect the gifts, and those gifts which are not collected we cannot collect them once more. So that's why I have not added the back button, because it is not necessary. And also by that anyone who is playing the game can cheat the game, because he can go back and the gifts who are here he can collect them. So this is what I was showing you, and in this game we have to do this only. So let's stop the game and make a new project, and we'll rename the project. I have pressed save now. We will press now new project. Okay, then after pressing new project, you have to first delete the sprite one, and then upload a sprite. My files are hidden due to security. So we will select the files. We will select the background in sprite, because we want the sprite moving. So to move that, we will not add it in backdrops. We will add it in a sprite. Then we have taken it. You can see it will not show you. So what you have to do, if you have downloaded the background, what you have to do, it will not show. So you have to click the customized files and then click to all files. The background is large, so it does not show in customized files. So then we'll modify this. So we will make it bigger. We will move it and then select another part. We'll select small part of this, but yes, you can see we will stretch it, and after stretching this we will select the upper part and we will stretch this. We'll move it up and stretch down, and then we'll do the coding of it. So first we'll take when flag clicked, show, go to looks and take the block show, and after this go to back layer. Here is go to front layer, take go to front layer and change it to back layer, and then take this block, go to x and y coordinates and set it to 0 and 0, and then we will run it. Okay, then after running it we will go to control and take a block forever. After taking forever, go to motion and take a block, change x by 10, change x, set here to -5, change x by -5, and then you have to go to control and take if then go to operators and take this block, larger and bigger block, and then take means go to motion and take x position and drop it here, and then here we will write -460. After writing -460, we will go to motion and here go to x 465. Now let's see how is it working. You can see it goes, and then it return from this side. So to remove this white part, we have to duplicate this, and after duplicating this, first we'll stop it, and after duplicating this we'll set it to 465. We'll set x and y coordinates to 465, and then change x by -5 is correct. Here we will now all the coding is correct, I think. Yes, now all the coding is correct. You can see it is moving correctly. The background is means the background is moving correctly. And then we go to painter, go to sprites and paint a sprite. So we will paint a sprite. So first take this square and draw it and set its color. You can set any color. I am setting the color to cyan. And we'll change the thickness also. So select it and change the thickness. This thickness is very thick, means 5 is proper. Okay, then after this we will add text to it. Text we write play and change its color to red. You can change it, set its color, set any color to it. So now the play button is ready. We will change its size to 50. 50 is very small, not very small, it is small. We will set it to 70. 70 is correct. So after it, we will go to events and take when flag clicked, then go to looks and take show and take height also, and then go to events, again and take when a sprite clicked, and then here under this we will add height, and above height we will add broadcast message 1. Go to events and take broadcast message 1, then go to these backgrounds and take when I receive message 1, then hide, and then again go to events and take when I receive message 1 and hide. So okay, this is done. Then after play button we will do the coding for Santa, the main. we will upload a sprite. The link of the sprites are in the description. If you want to choose the sprites, you can choose also. I have hidden files, I say it every time in my videos. So when I receive message 1, show. First we'll take when flag clicked, then we will take again when we'll take when I receive message 1. Then we'll go to control and take forever and added. Forever is not necessary, but we can add. Go to then we'll add go to front left. Okay, then we'll take hide option, and then when I receive message 1, show. And then we'll again go to events and take when space clicked, and we'll take this 2 times, and we'll change space to up arrow and the another space to down arrow. And after this, what you have to do, you have to go to motion and take change Y by, and add this to both the down and up arrow. So in the down arrow we will add -5, and in the up arrow we will add 5. So now the coding of Santa is done, and you must if I have said that the coding of Santa is done. So you are you thinking that why I have not added the block when the right arrow clicked? So for the answer for this is the background will move and it will look like that the Santa is moving. This logic is used in many games. The player does not move, but the background move and it look like that the player is moving. So we will move the background then. So the coding of Santa is done. We will duplicate these codings these 2 times. We'll duplicate these 2 times. We'll duplicate it 1 time only. By that we have to do less work. So first we'll change when I receive message 1. We'll change when flag click to when I receive message 1, and then we will add the coordinates. Go to 460. Go to x460, and then after this we have to go to control and take forever. No, forever is here, and we'll go to looks and take the block show. After show we'll remove this. We'll remove this operators and exposition, and this also. And after this we'll go to sensing and take key space pressed and change key space pressed to right arrow. You can see I am adding right arrow. It will look that the player is moving. First you can see this background is here. When we will do the whole coding, it will work properly. It is not working properly now because it is not done. And then what we will do, that change y by -5, not y, x. Change x by -5, and the block that I have deleted we will add again. At that time I don't know, we have to add it again, so sorry. We'll add it again. and then go to motion and take X position here, and we'll change it to 460. The previous time I have added 465, but here is now is 460. Then go to X 465 Y 0. Go to motion and take this. Go to X 465. Here is minus 465. We'll change it to 465. Your can be other also, because I by mistake clicked this and it went to 460 minus 460. Sorry. And then what we, now this is done. The coding of this is done now, but we'll change this to when flag clicked. Now it is done, and we'll duplicate of this, and after duplicating we'll change something in this. We'll change this to 0, and what we'll change after this? We'll change nothing after this. This is the problem. Yes, it is working, but the last sprite is left. The last sprite, which is gifts. So first we'll upload the gifts, because it is not there in Scratch. So we will upload it. So we'll change the size to 30. Let's see how this. It is very not very small. We'll change it a little bit. So 40 is correct. Here we will go to events, and when I receive message 1, show. We'll take the block show, and then go to control and take the block forever, and then take if then, and then go to sensing and take the block key space pressed. We'll change the key space pressed to right arrow, and then we will go to motion and change X by 5. Change X by minus 5, sorry. And then we'll go to events and take when flag clicked, hide. We'll go to looks and take the block hide, and when I will go to events and take when I receive message 1 forever. Create clone of myself. We'll go to control and take create clone of myself, and then wait 1.7 seconds. Okay, then we'll do the next coding for this. That is when I start as a clone. We'll take the block when I start as a clone, and go to looks and take the block go to front layer, and go to motion and take X and Y coordinates, and then go to operators and take pick random and add it in the both X and Y. And then in this we will add in X, we will add 100 to 220, 100 to 220, and in Y we will add 180 to minus 180, 180 to minus 180. Okay, then we will go to control and take forever, and after forever we will take if then, and again if then. Then after after this we will go to sensing and take key right arrow pressed. It will show key space pressed. We will change it to right arrow, and then we'll take touching download. Okay, and the name of the sprite is download, so it is coming download. You have to select the name of your sprite, and then go to variables and make a variable gifts collecting. And after this we will take this block, change gifts collected by Vani, and then after this we will go to control and take the block delete this clone, and then we will add the last block for the coding, which is in the motion, change x by -5. Now our project is done, and let's see how is it working. You can see it is working properly. Yes, one thing is left, that was our thinking, that we have to add the song also. So we will go to events and take when flag click, then go to control and take forever, and then go to sounds. No, don't go to this sounds, go to here, and then upload a sound, upload any Christmas sound. You can search it. I cannot add that song. And we'll add this. Okay, then we will check that how is this working. Yes, it is working well. So you can see it is working well. So let's end the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you are new to the channel. So let's end the video. Bye.